You are here because you want to learn how to give your essay the backbone to guarantee it an A+. Yes, the backbone. My mother always says she does not like people who do not have a backbone because they change their minds all the time and they do not know what they stand for. Well, just like my mother, professors also do not like research papers or essays that do not have the backbone, because those essays or research papers do not take a stand and they can go in any direction. This is why in this video, I am going to show you practically how to write a thesis statement, your essay backbone, that will guarantee you an A+. My name is Lerato Kanomsa of All Things Academia, where we explore and explain all things in the academic world. I use the space to provide you with tips to ace your studies. If you want to turn your essays from good to outstanding, then you are in the right place. This is the fourth video of the essay writing series because even though your thesis statement is an essential part of your essay, you need more than just that to get an A+. So if you have not seen our previous videos detailing the other components of an A+ essay, then I highly recommend that you go check them out after watching this video. They are linked in the description below. Now, let's get you started on the reason why you have clicked this video in the first place. As in all thesis statement one-on-one lesson, it is tradition to start with the characteristic of a good thesis statement, and who am I to break tradition? So before we even get to the practical parts of writing a thesis statement, here are 8 characteristics that makes a good thesis statement. An A+ thesis statement should be clear and to the point. It should convey your main idea without being overly wieldy or complex. It should be specific enough to give clear sense of essay direction and the scope. Avoid vague language and general statements. It should present an argument or claim that others might debate. This should not be a simple statement or effect, but something that requires evidence and explanation. Your thesis statement should accurately reflect what you discuss in your essay. All the paragraphs in your paper should relate back to and support the thesis statement. A thesis statement is typically placed at the end of the introduction paragraph, setting the tone and direction of the entire essay. An A+ thesis statement should provoke thought and invite discussion. It should offer a fresh perspective for a new approach to a topic. It should be directly related to the topic at hand and not include irrelevant information. While it should guide your writing, an A+ thesis statement is not set in stone. It can evolve as your paper develops, but major changes should be reflected throughout the essay. If you have grasped this characteristic of a good thesis statement, then comment backbone below. When you are about to write a thesis statement, you need to understand what a thesis statement is, and in order to do so, you need to understand what a thesis statement is not. There are 3 concepts in academic writing that are often confused with a thesis statement, and those are a topic, a research question, and a hypothesis. A topic is a general subject area or idea that serves as the starting point for your essay or research project. It's broad and does not convey a specific stance or argument. For example, social media is a topic. The confusion arises because a thesis statement is derived from a topic but does go beyond mainly stating the subject. The difference between a thesis statement is that it provides a specific angle or argument about the topic. A research question is an inquiry that guides your research process. It's a question that the research aims to answer, and it is often open-ended. For instance, if the topic is social media, then the research question could be, how does social media influence teenagers' mental health? The difference here is that a research question sets the direction for the investigation, and a thesis statement provides a definite stance or conclusion based on the investigation. The thesis statement answers the research question. A hypothesis is an assumption or prediction that you make for your study. It suggests what might happen, and it is then tested through research to see if it is true. It is often used in scientific studies. An example of a hypothesis for the 2 examples that we have used for the topic and the research question might be: Teenagers who spend more than 3 hours a day on social media are more likely to experience depression. This is often confused with a thesis statement because both are assertions. However, a hypothesis is a proposed explanation that is tested through research, whereas a thesis statement is a conclusion that the writer reached based on their research. I know this might all be so confusing since it seems like you need to have a thesis statement from the beginning, yet it seems like it is based on the conclusion that you make after you have researched. Well, to clear all this up, I will give you a hint. A thesis statement is typically placed in your introduction. And if you have watched my previous videos about the introduction, then you will know that even though an introduction is first in your essay, it is written at the end since it describes or gives an idea of what the whole essay is about. With a thesis statement, however, you need to have it from the beginning as a working thesis statement, and then it will develop and be refined as you do your research or as you write your essay. At the end of the essay, when you are writing the introduction, then you insert the refined final thesis statement in that paragraph. Before I go into writing a thesis statement, I am just going to take this time and give you the opportunity to contribute towards this channel by clicking on the subscribe button down below. This is absolutely free, but it goes a long way in communicating with YouTube that the content in this channel is worthy to be pushed out to more people. So go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and thank you so much for your contribution and your support. Now that we know what a good thesis statement looks like, and we know what a thesis statement is not, and we know where to place it, it is time to write a thesis statement. We are going to do this by taking some of the characteristics of a good thesis statement, using the two examples of the topic and the research questions that we have used, and write a thesis statement, practically breaking it down so that you can take this example, copy and repeat using your own essay topic. If the topic is social media, then the research question is, how does the use of social media influence the mental health of teenagers? Then our thesis statement could be something like, the use of social media significantly impacts the mental health of teenagers and increases the rate of anxiety and depression. Now let's break this down. 1. This thesis statement is specific. It narrows down the broad topic of social media to its impact on a specific group, teenagers, a specific aspect, mental health. 2. The statement takes a clear stance. Social media has a significant impact. It's not vague or neutral. It asserts a position that your paper will support. 3. By stating that social media leads to increased rates of anxiety and depression, you set up a clear direction for your research or essay. Your paper will now focus on finding evidence to support that claim. 4. The thesis statement directly responds to a research question about how social media influences the mental health of teenagers. It provides a clear answer that will be elaborated on in your research. 5. It expresses a viewpoint or conclusion that can be debated. It is not a universally accepted fact and requires evidence to support it. A fact is that social media platforms are widely used by teenagers. The claim is that it significantly impacts the mental health of teenagers. It's a conclusion that one might reach based on the interpretation of data and research. The claim is open to debate. Scholars, mental health professionals, and social scientists might have differing opinions on the extent of the impact or the mechanism by which social media affects mental health. If this video is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means a lot. Remember, a powerful thesis statement is a stepping stone to an A+ essay. In the next video, I will show you how to structure your essay introduction for maximum impact. So stay tuned, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my essay writing tips. Now, click on the video that is appearing on the screen right now, because that is the video you should be watching next if you want to write an A+ worthy introduction. I project to you love and grace in a way of 2 Corinthians 13 verse 14.